Hey guys, what's up? I'm Daniel Stark with Stark Photography, and I'm bringing you another unboxing of a camera that ShotKit, my friends over at ShotKit, sent me. If you don't know what ShotKit is, it's an online website, blog, where it looks inside the camera bags of tons of photographers. So if you're interested in whatever camera one of your favorite photographers is using, see if they're on ShotKit, and it breaks down what they have in their bag, their lenses, all sorts of cool stuff. Go check it out, shotkit.com. And they also do product and gear reviews, and that's why I'm doing this one of the Sony RX0. They sent me out this action camera, and I'm so excited to dive into it. I'm a big fan of GoPro. I've taken a lot of cool photos and video with it, but I know that it's lacking in some things, and I think that the Sony might make up for that. My two biggest issues with GoPro was the image quality and the battery life.
Unless you're into some intense kinky shit, and you never know after tonight. This Mercedes has a dead battery.
Some quick specs on the Sony RX0. It's a 15 megapixel camera, 1-inch sensor, which is huge. That's about the size sensor that's in a lot of their other Sony's compact cameras. So I know that the image quality on this is going to be great. The dynamic range is going to be awesome because of the 1-inch sensor, and then also noise reduction or low light performance will be really good on it. This camera also has a 24mm equivalent f4 Zeiss lens. If you know anything about Zeiss, they put out some amazing glass, so I'm sure that's going to reflect in the photos and video that you take with this. Now, a bonus is that ShotKit sent me two of these cameras, and one of them I'm actually filming on right now. I have a mic plugged into it. I set up my monitor through their Wi-Fi settings. Now, one thing GoPro has that Sony doesn't is GoPro has all those really cool mount features, so you can mount it pretty much on anything. I think Sony needs to jump on the bandwagon with that, and then this camera will be super, super cool. So what I'm gonna try to do is rig up an old GoPro mount and see if I can fit it onto the Sony, and that way I can give you guys a overhead view of when I'm unboxing this thing. All right, let's try it out. All right, so I got it all attached. Let's open it up.